All right.
No creepy.
See what?
I see light. Okay, all right.
Animals on
All right, thank you. Well, they're trying.
That's a good. It's always Eric.
I know everybody email. I know, right? Watch your step, folks. Watch your step. There's a drop off there. Watch your step.
You know, if we knew you were here, it says you're all the way down on the bottom, so you looked at every floor on the way up.
I didn't know where I was.
Otherwise, we would have had you out a long time ago.
I didn't know where I was. Watch that. There's a bump.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
Yeah, we would have been here a long time ago.
I didn't know where I was.
Yeah, we had no idea.
I had no idea either.
We were in good hands.
Yeah,